Hi everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. This little tiny thing over here is an advent calendar. I got it from French Wink, that website. It was $46. I got free shipping and handling. It is a chocolate advent calendar. It is 24 chocolates, which I have got another Advent unboxing out there that I got also from French Wink. That one too, that brand only had 24 as well. I really missed that 25 number, but this is from Bonvetti Chocolatier, Bonvetti Chocolatier, is that right? It's supposed to be French. And even though I took French, can't speak French very well, but look at how pretty that is, you guys. Look at that. I love it. I love the little elf. Look at that, in the penguin. Is that a squirrel? No, a fox? I'm not sure, but I am craving chocolate. So we are going to dive in. Now, one thing that is different than the other one I opened, it told me on the back what I was eating. This doesn't. So I don't know what that means. So I guess we're just going to have to go along on this journey together, you guys. So let's do it. Where is number one? Oh. Right here, right there. All right, so let's do number one. All right. Oops, turn upside down. There we go, a little bell. It says Merry Christmas. It looks like it's milk chocolate. It's a lot harder than I was expecting. This definitely should be a savor, or this is definitely a piece of chocolate you should savor. Meaning, I think you should put it in your mouth and kind of like let it melt naturally. Instead of just biting it like I am. Okay. So, milk chocolate. Not hardly sweet. Not hardly sweet at all. So, number two is right here. Let's see here. Oh, and we're judging this based on my IKEA advent that was only $14.99. All right, another. I'm wondering, is there no description, because are they all just milk chocolate? That's going to be disappointing if that's going to be disappointing if that's the case, right? I hope it's just not all the same chocolate, just in different shapes. Let's go to number three. Well, I can't hardly get into number three. Santa Claus? No, we had a snowman. We have a Santa Claus. We have a snowman. Number four. Where are you at, number four? You know, maybe I should research a little bit more before I buy some of these. It's a Christmas tree. I have a feeling I just spent $46 on just chocolate formed into different, like, things. New Christmas things. Where's number five? Okay. Number five. This is Santa Claus. Where's number 6? Oh my goodness, this is funny. Number 6. A bell again. Didn't I just eat a bell? Number 7. Where are you at? We got another snowman. Okay, if these repeat every 4 or 5 and I end up with like 5 snowmen, where is number 8? I mean, you don't need a day number 25 like this. Where's number 8? A little different. We've got Santa Claus in a sleigh. I can't remember what was the first thing I ate. Oh, it was like, was it a circle or a 5 shape? 9. Oh, it just fell out. Christmas tree. 10. Where are you, 10? I feel like I should just open the whole box and just like pour them out. Here we got our number 1 repeat. This, yeah, I can't believe it is. Number 11. Christmas tree. It's number 3. Number 12. Now this is one, but like who would enjoy this? All right, we got another Santa in his sled, because okay, you wouldn't spend $46 to get this for a kid. Now this could be a very well-known, very well-liked, very respected chocolatier in France, number 13. But the chocolate ain't all that great. I mean, I kid you not, Hershey's is better. Got a bell. Yeah. I would rather have 10 Hershey bars, which would be cheaper than this. And I would have gotten more chocolate. 12. Where is 12? Oh, that was 12. 13. That was 13. It's got me all messed up. 14. Here we go. Here's 14. We got Santa with his sack. All right. Everybody out there, I'm just going to start going down these. 15. Are you familiar with this brand of chocolate? Have you tried it? It is not worth $46. 16. I mean, couldn't you have like dipped some of them? Couldn't you like dip them in white chocolate or dark chocolate, or I don't know, make some in white chocolate, make some in dark chocolate? 17. We got snowy again. This is okay, I'm just gonna go 18. What do we get in 18? The sack again. Gosh, you know, if you were going to do this, at least do a different mold. Don't get them repeating over and over. Where's the creativity in that? Now, I will say part of this is my fault, because it very well could have read in the description that this was the case. And, you know, I mean, it very well could. I don't know, but it very well could have. But why? Why would you do an Advent? It's the same thing repeating over and over again. Now, mind you, IKEA did this. IKEA did this. I'm opening 22 now. But at IKEA, at least didn't give us the same item over and over again, just in different shapes. All right, this next one. So what, I've ate 2. So I've ate a bell, and I've ate that, like the, what is that? It's 6 around. The last one's got to be a Santa in a sleigh. Oh, wait, no, we've got 23 and 24. All right, I'm expecting a Santa and a sleigh on one of these. This is the Santa and the sleigh. Now, we are now to our last one, 24. I always want to go out with a bang, something unique, different for the last one. Now, I am going to bring up 24 because it is a somewhat bigger box here. Yeah, somewhat bigger box. Let's do this together. A big one. Oh, wow. And look at here. They did do something a little different there. Why couldn't you do that everywhere? Why did you just wait till the very last one to do something a little different? Let's see if it tastes different. Maybe? Maybe it's a little different. Wow. Wow. What a disappointment. And it's milk chocolate. Advent calendar milk chocolate. I don't know what to say. Oh, goodness. That was a bummer, right? So, I guess I'm going to go get my little freezer bag and freeze up all these little things and pull them out once in a while. But, yeah, that's it. I don't really have much more to say. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know your thoughts. $46. Yeah. All right, guys. Take care. Thanks. Bye.